I hear the Lord say, many are making noise in your ear. But I hear the Lord say, it's time to hear a glorious sound everywhere. I hear the Lord say, many are making noise in the air. But I hear the Lord say, many are going to hear the true glorious sound of Jesus Christ in the atmosphere from his true remnant. I hear the Lord say, there are so many that are making noise in your ear. I hear the Lord say, the sound that they are making, I hear the Lord say, it is not glorious. And I hear the Lord say, the only thing that it is doing is it's causing many to have a tension. It's causing many to be distressed. I hear the Lord say it's causing more disaster. It's causing more harm to others by the noise that they are making. I hear the Lord say this is now the time where we need a glorious sound. I hear the Lord say this is now the time where we need to hear a glorious sound that will be ushered into the atmosphere, that it will bring peace to the people. I hear the Lord say that it will bring deliverance to the people. I hear the Lord say we need a glorious sound where it will allow persons to be set free. I hear the Lord say we need a glorious sound that would allow persons to be healed, delivered from everything it is that they are going through. Because I hear the Lord say many are going through things that may be, battling them within their mind. And I hear the Lord say, what more harm can it cause when you have persons that are making noise, causing more harm to the mind of many persons that are already going through a mind battle? I hear the Lord say, we have to be so careful now in the time that we are in choosing persons that we allow to make noise into the atmosphere. I hear the Lord say, we do not want a noise being made into the atmosphere as the body of Christ, as true people of Jesus Christ. I hear the Lord say, we want to choose persons that will make a glorious sound. I hear the Lord say, we want to choose persons that will make an impact on in the kingdom of Jesus Christ. I hear the Lord say, we want persons that will truly be there and have a heart to deliver persons from whatever it is that has them captive. I hear the Lord say, we need a glorious sound in the atmosphere. I hear the Lord say, the time has been done away with for persons making noise. I hear the Lord say, the noise will be no more. I hear the Lord say, for too long, we have had persons within our midst making noise. And I hear the Lord say, there were many persons that were not discerning to know that it was not a glorious sound that they were making. I hear the Lord say, but Jesus Christ has come to change things. And I hear the Lord say, he is putting persons in place that will make a glorious sound everywhere as they usher the true spirit of Jesus Christ into the atmosphere.